this video wasn't supposed to happen because those of you that are actual subscribers and followers and actually, participate with comments and reading the description and all that, you've seen that I was not going to do any more videos this year, or at least not for the most part anyways, because of many reasons, but the main reason is I just had reconstructive foot surgery done. I don't even know what today's date is. I've been off for close to 2 weeks now, and I don't know. I'm confused. But anyways, I had surgery done 2 Tuesdays ago. So today is Saturday. So that would be what? 11 days, I think, since the actual surgery. I am progressing. I have a cast on now. The first week I had a soft cast with a splint. It was plaster and all kinds of stuff. And oof. Not that the cast is much better because of the swelling going up and down, up and down. Oof. It's not fun, but maintaining. And one of the things that's helped me maintain is taking pictures. Nope, I'm not going anywhere. I can't go anywhere yet. Mainly because I can't put weight on it whatsoever. And the swelling just can be intense. Because if I'm not in an elevated position, which it's starting to take its toll on other things like my other muscles and stuff like that. So I've got to find that happy medium. Because when I put my leg down, of course, it's gravity. Your blood just rushes right to that and it swells. So anybody's got any pointers that's been in a similar situation, let me know in the comments. But so anyways, but the Traveling Underwood let me borrow his drone, which I have a drone. His is a step up when it comes to quality and things like that. So he's let me borrow it this week, and I've been out every day for the last 4 days now, and taking a lot of similar pictures because I'm right here at my house. So I'm venturing out a little farther each day with it. I think today I was about a half mile from the house. So, but it's causing me to pay attention and look around and show how things look different in different lighting conditions and things like that. And it's also helping me with my sanity and getting me outside for 15, 20 minutes at a time before the swelling starts increasing. So anyways, I don't want to drag this out. I want to get to the photos. Just wanted to touch base, let you all know that's what's going on. If you're new here, please don't judge this channel by this video. Do a deep dive. Go check out other videos. We do traveling. We do a lot of photography. Just pretty much on a whim, anything that I'm doing. So please check that out. And if you like it, then subscribe. Think about subscribing. So, but please, guys, leave comments. Hit that thumbs up. Let me know you're here. It'd be good for the soul. Just saying. Communicate with my YouTube family. So, and hopefully, guys, I will see you on another video. Yes, I did this video out of boredom, basically. I'm home alone, and I'm in my house, and I'm like, I want to do a video just because. And then showcase the pictures I've taken the last few days. So, hope you enjoy, and hopefully we'll see you next video.